A beginner's guide to packing your home for a household move. Moving is stressful and so overwhelming, and part of the stress has to do with packing up the entire house. At first, it may seem impossible. But with helpful tips and suggestions, packing is a breeze. Just make sure you're organized and know what you need to do before you even pack the first box. When you move or relocate, to ensure your household goods arrive at your new destination without a scratch, start with a good packing list so you purchase the right packing and moving supplies. This is the ultimate guide to packing and moving your home. With step-by-step instructions, along with packing tips, you won't need anything else except for packing supplies and time. We provide the motivation. Moving boxes are generally the same weight and quality as ordinary shipping boxes, unless you purchase some made from thicker cardboard that allows for heavier packing. So, the question most people have is, should I purchase moving boxes or find some slightly used from grocery stores or friends who've just recently moved? With most of us pinching our pennies right now, finding ways to save on moving costs not only helps keep money in our wallets but can also help the planet by reusing packing materials and reducing waste. Used boxes are definitely an option, you just need to know where to find them and get them for free, and what to do and not do. Before you pack, find out what you shouldn't pack, or at least what you should be careful when packing. There are some things that need special handling, items that moving companies will not move if they are not properly prepared. The upside of moving is that it forces you to make a clean sweep of the house, getting rid of items that you no longer use or need. The first place to start is to determine what to sell, either online or by hosting a garage sale, and what to give away. Before moving or relocating, everyone should prepare an essentials box, a box full of items you'll need for your last few nights before you move and the first few nights in your new home. If you only have time for one packing guide, this is the one to read as it provides tips that you may not have thought of before. So use it to make your packing quick and easy. When you're packing for a move, you might want to ask yourself if you should pack it yourself or hire professionals to do it for you. In many of our moves we've never used professionals to pack our things. For me, it's always about saving money. Over the years and the many moves, we always think we have moving down to a very fine science. However, usually in the midst of the moving chaos, we forget something and swear that we'll add it to a growing list of forgotten items for the next time we move. To save you the trouble of forehead slapping that usually ensues after you're 50 miles from your old home, check out my list. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.